didn't give me a thing. What's today's date?
Huh?
What's today's date?
26.
26, 11/26, Monday, 2018. It's school's canceled.
Too much snow.
It's not too much snow, but it's very slippery out there.
Too much
And it's still coming. We're supposed to get between 5 and 9 inches.
5 and 9.
Yep. Until, what is it,
That's a lot of snow.
7 o'clock? 7 o'clock this morning till about 2. 5 to 9 inches is a pretty good amount. I don't know if that's lake effect or just a snowstorm that's blowing through. They say even Kansas got over a foot. So there it is, first one of the year. Gonna be some accidents on this corner, I think. Anyway, there it is.